Okay, so you've reached the end of this section and your tasks are the following. I want you to spend 5 to 10 minutes exploring the Excel ribbon tabs. So basically just go through them, look at the different types of commands you've got, and just get a real feel for it. Secondly, I want you to customize your QAT. I want you to add 2 commands of your own choosing. So whatever 2 commands you think might come in handy for your Excel work, I want you to add those 2 to your QAT. Thirdly, I want you to create a customized ribbon and add 5 commands. So by all means, call the ribbon whatever you want and the subgroup whatever you want, but I want you to add 5 commands. And last but not least, by all means, please feel free to post your results in the discussion forum for feedback. Okay, so best of luck, and I'll see you in the next section.